How are you, Harsha?
I am fine and doing good.
Actually, completed your
Information
BTech,
technology. Yes, information
what
technology.
do you select the
Farming?
agricultural
Yes.
format?
Actually, I completed information technology.
Today is very difficult is agricultural farming.
Risks and problems are highly in farming. But I choose to prefer to do farming instead of doing programming in front of computers in foreigns.
Your life actually great of foreign's
Yes.
companies.
Yes.
What do choose the agriculture?
Because I chosen to grow naturally growing rice. And,
right. Very good.
Sending that rice to our family members, relatives, friends who studied with my friends 10th class, intermediate, BTech, like colleagues in central government, postal department, like that. I am sending to my own family members and friends. One of the happy moment to me. And
many people doing the
farming,
agricultural farming. What do you choose the important
special,
in special?
Yes, the main special is only growing rice in CVR method farming. The farming is based upon the ingredients taking subsoil, topsoil and subsoil with castor oil, sports paste. Along all the ingredients are mixed well and spraying on the paddy fields. This is a process we are doing successfully since 3 years. RNR 15048 Telangana Sona, one of the excellent paddy variety. Yesterday only Channa Madon Damodar Raj garu birthday, and he was the creator of RNR 15048 Telangana Sona paddy variety. We are growing that rice only because that has 51.6% glycemic index.
Very good.
It's for diabetic patients. It's one of the best useful rice.
Useful. So this choosing the organics rice
and
farmer will be
yes,
working.
I chosen to grow paddy in a CVR method naturally, receiving natural.
How you know CVR method
Farming.
you are choosing?
Yes, CVR method farming is a Alwal. He is a living legend from agriculture. CVR means Chintala Venkat Reddy garu. He is a famous person, and ex-America president also came to him and meet him. And also when I watching that YouTube, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, and suddenly I noticed that CVR method farming, and already some people and a lady farmer who is studied MSc organic chemistry and doing in CVR method farming, they are motivated me to do in CVR method farming by using subsoil, topsoil and sports paste, castor oil. With that one ingredients only we are growing paddy, and one of the excellent method. And since from 3 years onwards we are doing that paddy and growing rice and storing them and sending the rice to family members, relatives, friends, etc.
Very good. Super. You are role model to youngster Harsha.
Thank you very much.
Very good.
Thank you very much.